Welcome back to our Flip House series. So much has happened on this house since the last time we saw you. We had our cabinet guy come put in the cabinets. We had all the windows trimmed out. Tile even started. So let's take a little tour of where we're at right now. Grab your coffee and let's get going. All right, here we are in the living room, and at this point we have had the wood floors completely installed. They're so pretty. Those are from Nebraska Furniture Mart and Anderson Tough Decks. And then we've got the whole fireplace completely tiled. New addition to that is this really pretty quartz slab that we put on top of it. I love that. So we still have our painter coming in a few weeks, and he's gonna be painting the inside of the fireplace black, and then we're also gonna get that brick painted as well to make everything kind of flow together. Window trim is completely done. Everything's painted. We've got most of our doors in. Cabinets have been painted. So we did a satin finish on our cabinets, and this is Dorian Gray, one of our favorite grays from Sherwin-Williams. And I love how it plays off of that pure white, our other favorite Sherwin-Williams color. We have our quartz in, and it's beautiful. And let's take them into the office, Ash. Let's go. This is our office. So we have a beautiful 8-foot sliding barn door that's going in right here. Our friends at Rosen Gray Design helped us build that. We designed it. And that's going to open up into what we're calling an office, but this would also serve as a great guest bedroom, or even a bedroom for someone that's living here, because it's right off of the bathroom and it's also got its own closet. How pretty is this light? So this is by Capital Lighting, and it's through Lighting Design Company, one of our favorite companies to work with. And I love it because it looks like an antique bell. It's so pretty. I love the finish on it too. It's kind of like an old brass. Yeah, it's such a bright idea, right? So brassy. Yeah. The next time you see this bathroom, it will be completely done. Not much to look at this moment. I do love that we put a transom in there though for the window, and then we have a cute little vanity going in right there, and caustic tile for the floors. Under stairs, storage. All the moms rejoice. Whoop, whoop. All right, master bedroom. We have big plans for this room, don't we, Ashley? Huge plans. We are going to plank this ceiling right here because it's got the tray ceiling that's vaulted with a white barnwood. It's going to be beautiful, and we're also going to do the exact same thing against this wall. Same barnwood, and we've got some really cool shelves that we decided to put in here to take the place of a nightstand because a full king bed would fit right here. So that way they can have electronics and all the things. Now moving into the master bathroom. Welcome. So lots of stuff's happened in here. We love this space. We've got some natural light from the window, but we just got our quartz put in. I love it. It's like the color of a really beautiful concrete, and we did that on the pure white cabinets. So we have a his and her vanity, and we also have the white sinks, and we have some really beautiful faucets going in by Delta, and we also have our standalone tub, which will be right here. So you can sit in the bath and watch the cows go by. I love this gray quartz. Yes, this is also from Nebraska Furniture Mart. It is by Arizona Tile. Do you remember the name of it? No. Sorry. We will add the name in the description box below. Once we remember it. Shower. Tiles happening this week. We're super excited about that. We got some really beautiful tile for the master bathroom from Floor & Decor, and it's marble, and it's also pretty. There's not much to see in here because it's so dark, but it's so beautiful. I think I can see it. I think they can see it pretty good. I think we can see enough. Yep, so here's the master closet. Just about big enough to be a bedroom itself. So much storage. Let's go to the laundry room. Follow me. So we just laid tile last week for this floor. This is Riyadh tile, and it's so beautiful. Like, it's just like some of my favorite tile. And then we have a tile backsplash going in next week. And we got the cutest Capital Light chandelier, also from Lighting Design, that we love. This space is really coming along. And just off the garage, we have the biggest mud area locker room. I love it. We've got drawers for storage underneath. We've got stuff for baskets, and then we can put hooks right here. It's the perfect collectible space. Moving on. Here we go, guys. So we have this covered right now in carpenter's paper, but that's gonna be pulled off soon, and we have stain going in on both that and our handrails. And let's take a look at this view right here, guys. We call this Nerf Gun Central. Can you imagine what the kids are gonna do with this? It's gonna be great. And we have our lights going in next week. Those are gonna look awesome too. All right, so this is the only existing bedroom from upstairs. And first of all, let's talk about this chandelier. I love, love, love this chandelier. It's one of my favorites. Also Capital Lighting from Lighting Design Company. It's so neat because it's got that brass patina finish, but it's almost the shape of a basket. It's so cute. And walking down the hall, this is the hall that leads us to, you can see right here, that's where we built up the second floor. So this is our flex space. We love this room. We were thinking it would make a great game room or media room, and we've got another amazing light from Capital Lighting through Lighting Design Company. I love the closets in this space, and it leads on to a really awesome balcony where they can sit and look at the cows. So pretty. So we still have our flooring and our railing and stuff going in, but you can see this view right here is one of the selling features of this house, and we are super excited about it. Okay, leaving the bonus room, we are going into another secondary bedroom. I love the windows in here. We've got that same chandelier. So pretty. Really good storage in the closet. But I'm just loving how many windows we put in this house. And I love too, like with the 3-panel doors, all the trim we did. So we did just a flat stone baseboard and then did flat door mesh trim along all the doors. And I just think it adds so much character to this house. It's really the most inexpensive way to kind of add trim to your house too. I think we have a few videos on that, don't we, Ash?
We might. We just might.
Oh, we just did one too.
We're going, one's coming up.
Okay, I love this space so much. We realized after the walls were all framed that we had this little area right here, and rather than walling it off, we decided to make it a little area for like a desk or a workspace. It's a perfect little cubby for studies, if your kids are into that sort of thing. So this is our second bathroom upstairs. So we have a beautiful countertop in here. This is quartz from Arizona Tile through Nebraska Furniture Mart. And we did that same Dorian gray with that darker quartz. I love the combination there, so neat. And we've got tile going in next week. This is gonna be such a beautiful space. Follow me into the last bedroom. I love this bedroom. We show you guys this bedroom every time because it is so massive. We've got the big, tall, 6-foot ceilings, but it's still got that really pretty angled roof line. Beautiful window. We also have 2 closets. That's crazy. This could have like 4 kids in it.
Does that mean you're gonna have another baby?
I'm done.
What if you could buy this house? Would you have another baby?
No, done.
And the outside of the house is totally coming along. We painted the outside of the house with Dover White by Sherwin-Williams, and we did all of the trim and accents with Tricorn Black, also Sherwin-Williams. We are getting our trees kind of trimmed up today so that we can really put more focus on the front of the house, and it's going to look beautiful. And how fun was that, guys? We are getting so close to the end. Still a lot to go, but we're getting there.
But make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss an episode of this series.